Today I am going to show you how watching English movie is the best strategy for learning English. Actually, my dear friend, English movie, if you are using only for entertainment point of view, that is not good. But also you are using for learning point of view, then you can learn so many things from a single movie. So my dear friend, whenever you want to see, then try to that how to learn from it. That is very helpful for you. So today I will share some points regarding it. If you follow these steps, then definitely it is very helpful for you. So note down all the points. Let's start. First of all, English movie teach you how English is really spoken. Whenever you are watching English movie, then you can find out his or her expressions, attitude or natures. Means if you learn it, then whenever you want to speak, then also you can use this technique. Now I will share some example. जब भी हमारे साथ किसी पर्सन के साथ मुलाकात हुआ, मीट हुआ, तो हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? What's up or how are you? Now you want to understand what is the difference between both the sentence. What's up used for like a casual approach, friendly approach. But if we will meet any respectable person, then we can say, how are you? So that's why if you say English movie, then you can learn it. You, how do I speak? You know that. You know both the points. But how do you use it? That is most important. I hope you understand my first point. Our second point, that is enhancing listening skills. What is this? Now say it.
You've been selected for a mission which you are not to discuss with anyone outside of this room. No one. I don't care who you trust.
Now I am to share which type of technique you can use. Whenever you can see first time, then you can see without subtitle. After that, you can pause this video and you can try to speak it. If you do it, then fantastic. Otherwise, what can you do? You can see again with subtitle and you can see and you can listen. After that, you can try to practice. First of all, without subtitle, next with subtitle. This is very important, you can follow it. You have been selected for a mission which you are not to discuss with anyone outside of this room. Our next point, that is improving pronunciation and accent. Listen closely how they speak. Now see this clip.
Even though he knows your mom is here, not only does he not care, he seized all the family's assets. That's too much. I'm gonna settle this.
Now my dear friend, how to practice? That is, believe with your naturality. Don't be hurry. आपको जल्दबाजी नहीं करना. You can say like that. Even though he knows your mom is here, not only does he not care, he seized all the family's assets. That's too much. I am going to settle this. Just you can practice with your naturality and you can try to understand each and every pronunciation. That's it. If you practice, I am sure you will get very good result. Now our next point, that is expanding vocabulary. So what can you do? You can note down some typical words. So let's see. Now I mark though, seized and assets. And if I find out their meanings, though means but, seized means to take hold of something suddenly. Assets means the entire property of a person. किसी का जो भी property होगा उसको हम लोग बोल सकते हैं assets. So if you follow this process, then definitely you can improve your vocabulary. So please follow it. My dear friend, if you sit till now, then I'm sure I have to say that you are very passionate about this. So it's very good job, my dear friend. Please keep it up. Now, our last point is most important. Without this, you will never ever improve your English. Practice speaking skills. Means, my dear friend, whatever you learn, how do you practice? I will share 3 process. First process, that is use your mobile camera. Whatever you learn, you record your videos. Second process, you stand up in front of mirror. मिरर के सामने खड़ा होके आपको जो भी बोलना है इसके रिगार्डिंग, जो भी आपने सीखा वो भी बोल सकते हो। उस टाइम क्या करना है, आपको खुद को ऑब्जर्व करना है, आप कैसे प्रोनाउंसिएशन कर रहे हो। ईच एंड एवरीथिंग यू कैन फाइंड आउट। थर्ड प्रोसेस, दैट इज फाइंड आउट वन पार्टनर. What can you do? You can practice with him or her. My dear friend, without speaking practice, never ever you can learn better way. So my dear friend, practice makes perfect. So never ever left it. Always you can focus, how do I practice day by day? This is the most important. I hope you understood. And if you are enjoying my videos, then definitely please like and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. And please my dear friend, press the bell icon. Then whenever I will upload our next video, then you will get as soon as possible. So my dear friend, subscribe our channel and share to your friends. And please, whatever your comment, please comment in the comment box. Thank you so much. God bless you.